How much should you actually spend on a solar shower for camping? Some people rave about the cheap ones, while others swear by the pricier options. The truth is, price doesn't always mean quality, and the right choice can make all the difference for your outdoor experience. Product number 1: Spopal Portable Shower. First up is the Spopal Portable Shower. Priced at $37.99, this rechargeable camping shower caught my eye for its advanced LED display and impressive 6000 mAh battery. If you want a reliable shower that offers multiple spray modes, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The 6000 mAh battery allows it to run continuously for up to 150 minutes, which means you can enjoy a long, refreshing shower without worrying about running out of power. It heats water up to a comfortable range of 32-140 degrees F, so you can avoid any unpleasant surprises. The quiet operation is another plus, making it a peaceful showering experience. But I'll be real with you, some users have mentioned that the lack of a heating function can be a downside. If you're expecting it to heat water on its own, you might be disappointed. However, it's designed for campers who want a convenient shower experience without the hassle of setting up a full system. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact and versatile shower for various outdoor activities. Skip this one if you need a shower that heats water on its own, or if you prefer a more traditional setup. For the price, it delivers great value for convenience. Product number 2: KIPIDA Solar Shower Bag Green. Next up is the KIPIDA Solar Shower Bag, which retails for just $16.95. This budget-friendly option boasts a 5-gallon capacity and a heat-absorbing design that caught my attention. If you want an affordable way to enjoy a warm shower in the wild, this is worth considering. It's made from environmentally friendly materials, ensuring safety while you clean up. Plus, its lightweight design makes it easy to carry on your travels, whether you're camping or hiking. With 11,200 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, many users have found it to be a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. However, some users have complained about the hose and shower head being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it, it still serves its purpose well and provides a refreshing shower experience. This is ideal for you if you're on a budget and looking for something lightweight and easy to use. Skip this if you need a more durable setup or plan on using it frequently in rugged conditions. For the price, it's a great option for casual campers. Product number 3: KIPIDA Solar Shower Bag Black. Also from KIPIDA, we have another solar shower bag, this time in black, priced at $19.98. It's similar to the green version but comes with a stylish color change. If you want a budget-friendly option that works just as well, this bag is an excellent choice. It includes a removable hose and an easy-to-use shower head with an on-off switch. The temperature indicator is a handy feature too, making it easy to see when the water is ready. With the same 11,200 reviews and 4-star rating, it's loved by many outdoor enthusiasts for its functionality. A common complaint is the durability of the materials, as some people found it leaks after extensive use. However, if you treat it with care, you'll find it serves its purpose quite well and offers great value. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and affordable shower solution for your camping trips. Skip it if you're planning to use it frequently or in harsh conditions where durability is a must. It's a solid buy for the price. Product number 4: Advanced Elements Summer Shower. Next, we have the Advanced Elements Summer Shower, available for $30.59. This shower stands out with its 4-layer construction designed for optimal heat retention. If you're looking for a more durable option that heats up quickly, this might be the one for you. The Easy Fill valve and temperature gauge are great for ensuring you get the right heat before stepping in. With a 4.5-star rating from over 4,100 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance and durability. However, some users found it difficult to fill due to its design. Here's the thing. While it might take a little extra effort, the quality and performance make it worth it for many outdoor lovers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a shower that combines durability with good performance. Skip it if you need something ultra easy to fill or you're not planning to use it frequently. Overall, it offers solid value for the features it provides. Product number 5, Advanced Elements Compact Shower. Last but not least is another gem from Advanced Elements priced at $19.79. This compact version is lightweight and perfect for quick showers. If you want something easy to pack and use, this one might catch your eye. Like the previous model, it also features a 4-layer construction, ensuring decent heat retention. This makes it a great choice for those on the go, especially since it rolls up for easy storage. It has a fantastic 4.5-star rating from 1,200 reviews, indicating it's well received by users. That said, some users reported that the straps for carrying can be a bit flimsy. But here's the thing, if you're careful with it, this shower provides a practical solution for quick outdoor cleanups. This is ideal for you if you frequently camp and need something lightweight and portable. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty option or plan to use it for larger groups. It's a great value for solo campers or short trips. So there you have it, the top 5 solar showers for camping. From the high-tech Spopal portable shower to the budget-friendly KIPIDA options, each has its strengths. The Advanced Elements showers offer durability and performance for those who want reliability. No matter which you choose, you'll be well equipped for your outdoor adventures. Happy camping!